Gonna go ahead and crack this bad boy open.
Apricot's usually
pour.
like sweet, right? It's like a sweeter type of fruit.
Oops.
Oh no!
Oh, I
saw
missed a
that.
little bit there.
I saw that.
It's all good.
Nothing.
No damage.
Nothing to see here. Nothing to see
Yep.
here. It looks good.
Yes, it's very, very tasty.
Is it? It's like sweeter, right? Right on the
It
new
is sweeter.
keyboard. No.
It is sweeter. Yeah, a little bit on the keyboard, but no biggie.
No damage.
We'll clean that bad boy out.
Sorry. My face.
I just want to give a quick update. You guys saw me pour my beer. It missed my glass. That was definitely a good ending for the day because that's just the kind of day I've had. I poured it all over my brand new keyboard.
You poured it all over it? Oh no.
I mean, it was like right into this general vicinity,
Okay.
and it wasn't a lot. It was probably like a tablespoon of beer, but
Yeah.
it still turns on. It still functions, but when I type words, when I type a key, it makes a lot of letters at once. So I will be disassembling this keyboard post stream, maybe tomorrow. I might save it. It might be a tomorrow project, and cleaning this out, and hopefully it will recover. So
Yeah, dude.
Keychron, I love your keyboard, and I'm very sad and deeply that I have potentially ruined it. So updates to come on that. Maybe that'll be an Instagram story update. I'll put some videos up of the revival of this keyboard. Fortunately.